Welcome to Nikkei BizRuptors, the gateway to case studies on Asian businesses. With an institutional subscription, your campus gains seamless access to the Nikkei BizRuptors platform. Faculty members can create and share courses without limits, while students can explore all case studies all in one place. Here are some that you can utilize with your institutional subscription. Access for campus users. Once your university has subscribed to Nikkei BizRuptors, students who signed up with the university emails are automatically added to the list. And all assigned administrator emails have access to manage student accounts. Managing student accounts. To manage access, go to View Account and select Manage Student Accounts. From this dashboard, administrators can add or remove users, monitor student quotas, and check subscription status and expiration dates. Everything you need to manage campus access is available here. Removing multiple students' access. If a group of students no longer require access, for example, after graduation, administrators can use bulk delete to remove multiple users at once. This action only removes access to the institutional subscription. The students' accounts themselves are not deleted. If a student is removed by mistake, simply click Add User and enter the student's institutional email address to restore access. For details on student sign-up process and how to access their case studies and courses, please refer to the series of tutorial videos for students on the Nikkei BizRuptors website. That's all you need to manage student access on Nikkei BizRuptors. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us.